Saddlemen's BR3400 Tactical Backseat Sissy Bar Bag is designed with a blend of dynamic materials, resulting in a bag that's tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting so that you can keep your most valued items protected ride after ride. As part of our tactical lineup, this model offers the same sturdy construction and range of use as the original BR3400 and adds a few stylish adjustments. The bag is engineered for versatility and is the perfect choice for a long-distance ride with M.O.L.L.E webbing on the bag's exterior, providing a design detail that highlights its rugged functionality. A wide zippered center opening assures ease of loading, and inside you've got plenty of space, plus internal mesh pockets to keep smaller items organized and separated. No matter how much you pack, the BR3400 is designed with a rigid internal frame that allows the bag to keep its shape even when empty. 6 large external pockets give you even more options for storing grabbable items like maps, snacks, and sunglasses. Constructed of UV, water, and weather-resistant 1200 denier material, this is a bag that won't let you down even in the harshest conditions. When the weather gets wet, this bag is equipped with a tethered rain cover for added protection against the elements. The BR3400 can be easily mounted to the Sissy bar and comes with a full mounting strap kit for a variety of mounting options. Multiple heavy-duty D-rings are also included for additional mounting options, and the integrated M.O.L.E modular attachment points allow for plenty of storage customization. Available right around that $220 mark, the BR3400 Tactical is the perfect backseat Sissy bar bag for journeys of all sizes. And if you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.